Close your eyes and picture it. You, the world's smallest space chef, floating in a shiny vacuum tank. In front of you is a bubbling pot of curry. No air, no gas, just hot spices and water under zero pressure. What happens to that mouth-watering smell? Let's find out. First, we light our tiny Bunsen burner inside the vacuum chamber and watch the water boil wildly. At low pressure, water starts to boil room temperature. The curry bubbles like crazy, and steam bursts off in fast little geysers. Without air pressing down, the heat dries water and spice oils right into the empty tank. Next, we spy on the spice molecules with a laser. Cloves, turmeric, cumin, they all jump free from the curry. In normal kitchens, these beads hit you right on air currents to your nose. But here in the vacuum, they fly straight until they crash on the cold metal walls. No air means no breathe, no scent traveling to your feet. Our curious crew uses a cold trap, an icy plate supercooled with liquid nitrogen. Every spice molecule that hits it freezes solid. We call this cryocapture. After a few minutes, almost all the curry aroma is stuck on the trap, like flaws on a window. Now comes the fun part. We let fresh air rush back into the chamber. The frozen spice oils warm up and gulp in some gas. As they thaw, they pop off the cold plate and mix with the new air. Instantly, the scent of curry fills the tank again, rich, spicy, and exactly like our kitchen at home. Through this little experiment, we learn a key truth. Aroma is nothing without a carrier. Smell happens when tiny molecules hitch a ride a moving gas to reach your nose. In space, or in any vacuum, there's no gas flow, so no smell reaches you. Yet the spice molecules themselves stay just as tasty. They only need air or another gas to travel. We also discover how heat behaves in vacuum. Without air to spread warmth by convection, our curry relies on direct contact and radiation to stay hot. The pot's bottom stays toasty, but the top cools fast. That's why real space cooks need special ovens with mirrors and heater plate. Finally, it tastes test. Well, almost. We can't stick our noses into a vacuum, but once we bring back air, that first sniff is the best reward. The aroma shines bright, telling us that cooking in vacuum is a magic. It's pure physics and chemistry play together. So next time you dream of cooking curry on the moon, remember, the smell won't flow through space unless you pivot the right. In vacuum, spices live free, crash, freeze, and wait. But with a clever trick, like our cold trap, you can serve out that piping hot, nose-tickling flavor to curious explorers everywhere.